Hi, kape? Hi, I'm Giovanni at welcome sa isang bagong series called Hi Kape where we're gonna talk about everything and anything under the sun with a cup of coffee. And for our second episode, we're going to talk about the things we wake up for. Hindi naman kaila sa atin ang tagline ng Nescafe na para kanina ka bumabangon. At marami sa atin may iba't ibang mga kasagutan sa tanong na ito. Many people get up and start their days for their friends, for their families, for their businesses and relationships, for self-enlightenment, for service to other people, etc. etc. Marami tayong reason kung bakit gusto natin bumangon sa buhay. And that's a good thing. Good thing yon kasi habang may pinagbabangunan pa tayo sa buhay, may reason pa tayo para mabuhay. Does that mean na kailangan very world-changing yung reason natin mabuhay? Not entirely. But having something to live for, no matter how large or how small man yan yung reason na yan, that's important in order for you to live a good life. Now, why am I saying this? Why after talking about coffee and community, bakit ito naman yung susunod nating episode? I'm saying this kasi sometimes life can get so tough. Sinabi ko na rin yan na pwede mong isabay ang kape sa bawat pinagdaraanan mo sa buhay. Pero minsan, hindi enough ang kape para sabihing may tapang kang harapin ang bawat hamon ng buhay. I'm saying this kasi minsan, kahit ako, nadi-discourage din ako. Nadi-discourage at nadadapa sa laban ng buhay. Sometimes I ask myself if worth it pa ba na ituloy ko yung ginagawa ko, na i-pursue ko yung dreams ko, yung passions ko, yung goals ko sa buhay. Or should I settle for, okay lang, okay na to. Nakakapagod kasi to always get up after falling down. Pero hindi kinaya ng pride ko. I made a promise to myself kasi na I wouldn't settle for anything mediocre. Na hindi ako mag-settle for okay lang. Pero being a high performer all the time is very stressful and very tiring. Two things to impart in this episode. Number one, hindi masama ang magpahinga. After so many times that I had my ups and downs, I realized that in every time that I fall down in life, life is just testing me how willing I am to get up. And the process of getting back on track is very difficult. When life gets so tough and you can't fight back yet, pwede ka muna mag-step back, magpahinga at mag-recalibrate bago ka sumubok ulit. Walang masama sa pagpapahinga because that means that you're admitting to yourself that you're human. May limits ka rin at you also need time to heal. Number two, even if nakaka-tempt mag-give up sa isang gawain, hindi na ito matutumbasan yung satisfaction na magkakaroon ka kapag sinubukan mo. Kapag nag-give up ka kasi, yung chances mong sumakses zero na eh. Pero kapag sinubukan mo, may chance ka pang sumakses. May chance ka pang patunayan sa sarili mo na kaya mo pala. You deserve to give yourself the grace of trying so you do not award yourself the pain of regret. Hayaan mo sumubok ka, even if it doesn't feel much at all. Kahit na feeling mo hindi ka umuusad, you have to try nang malaman mo who and what you can be. Now, for this day, I want you to reflect back on your plans. I heard kasi that if your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. But don't let the size of your dreams scare you from fulfilling them anyway. Instead, isipin mo na isa tong challenge na mapapagtagumpayan mo. After all, hindi mo papangarapin kung hindi mo kaya. Ikaw, anong kwentong kape mo?